The falcon cannot hear the falconer. Things fall apart, the sceptre cannot hold. Mere anarchy is loosed upon the world. The blood-lit tide is loosed, and everywhere the ceremony of innocence is drowned. The best lack all conviction, while the worst are full of passionate intensity.
It's Fortuna, the Roman goddess of fortune and love.
Joe, do you see recyclables here? Can you check them out whenever you see them?
Surely some revelation is at hand. Surely the second coming is at hand. The second coming. Hardly are those words out, when a vast image out of Spiritus Mundi troubles my sight.
It's on side. Always
The big mall thing here. Capitalism. That's Blue Hills, right? Is that Blue Hills? Blue Hills.
Terrible picture.
Yeah.
Go from down here.
In a small town, I see our friends. They want to show like they don't want me to know.
Somewhere in the sands of the desert.
What's going on with the trucking
I
guys?
think the tire is broken. Oh no, it's a big truck with a small truck behind it.
And there's that guy just hanging out. We're outside. Christmas carolers. I hate shopping. It's 70 degrees. 70 fucking degrees on Christmas Eve in Norwood, Massachusetts. It's not supposed to be this hot. I mean, it's not supposed to be anything in this world. But still. Full moon. Doesn't the moon look good shining through the trees? Anything goes in the dark wood. Like 70 degrees, it's like summer. In the dump. Rainbow. 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 Sun. There's a bird. Look at these things. prison waits in the horizon. Hear that? That was it again. What bird is that? Is it an eagle? That's awesome. Chickens. Ooh. Oh, Molly. In a really verbose way, that's all he was. Good to be alive, I guess, you know. Don't kill yourself. Today is Christmas. Look at you, you know, it's like cool, creepy. Day after Christmas, I was hungover most of the day.
Is this James? Mom just got taken in an ambulance.
I hear the woodpecker, but I can't see him.
A gaze blank and pitiless as the sun is moving its slow thighs, while all about it reel shadows of the indignant giant birds. The darkness drops again, but now I know that 20 centuries of stony sleep were vexed in nightmare by a rocking cradle, and what rough beast its hour come round at last slouches towards Bethlehem to be born.
I'm gonna slowly leave out of here.